In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. You need to start by opening Settings. In them, scroll down and tap on System. Finally, click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Then just click on Text Correction, scroll down and tap on Display Switcher next to Auto Correction. As you can see, after that, automatic text correction is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!